In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use zip files on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. When it comes to accessing projects on GitHub, one convenient way is through downloading zip files. This can be especially helpful if you want to grab an entire project or a specific version without having to clone a repository. So let's walk through how to do this step by step. First things first, you need to log in to your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the repository you want to download. You can do this by searching for the repository name in the search bar located at the top of the GitHub homepage, or by accessing it through your own repositories if you have it saved there. Now, once you're on the main page of the repository, you're going to see a green button that says Code. This is where the magic happens. Click on that green button, and you'll see a few options pop up. The very first option is to download the latest code. If you just want to get your hands on the current version of the project, this is the easiest route to take. Simply select Download Zip, and voila! That will start downloading the entire current version of the project as a zipped file right onto your computer. But wait, what if you need a specific version of the project? Perhaps you're working on something that requires a certain feature that was in a previous version. No worries, there's a straightforward way to do this too. On the main page of the repository, look for a section called Releases or Tags. This is where developers often leave specific snapshots of their project. Browse through the list to find the release you need. Once you find it, check under the Assets list associated with that release. You should see a link labeled Source Code Zip. Click on that link, and just like that, you'll download the specific version of the project you're looking for. Now that the download is complete, it's time to access those files. Head to your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your downloaded files are saved. You should see the zip file there. To start using the project, you need to extract its contents. On most computers, you can do this easily by right-clicking on the zip file and selecting Extract All, or a similar option, depending on your operating system. After you've extracted the files, open the folder, and there you go. You have all the project files at your fingertips, ready for you to dive into and explore. Whether you're looking to modify the project, contribute to it, or just understand how it works, you now have everything you need right on your local machine. And there you have it. You've learned how to download zip files from GitHub and access them on your computer. It's a fairly simple process, but it can really make your workflow smoother, especially when you're working with various repositories. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video for more tips and tricks on